Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share the latest news about the Circular Ring 2. If you're a tech enthusiast or interested in smart wearables, this is the video for you. Let's start with an overview. The Circular Ring 2 was unveiled at CES 2025, showcasing the latest advancements in smart ring technology. One of the standout features of the Circular Ring 2 is its digital ring sizing. This innovative feature uses a smartphone camera to determine your ring size, eliminating the need for physical sizing kits. This makes the process quick and convenient for users. You simply snap a photo of your finger using your smartphone, and the app will accurately determine the perfect ring size for you. The Circular Ring 2 also offers impressive heart health monitoring. It features FDA-cleared atrial fibrillation detection and improved sensors for accurate data. This means you can keep a close eye on your heart health and receive timely alerts if something is amiss. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with a history of heart issues or those who want to proactively monitor their cardiovascular health. Battery life is another crucial factor for smart wearables, and the Circular Ring 2 doesn't disappoint. It boasts an extended battery life of 8 days, allowing you to wear it longer without needing frequent recharges. Whether you're on a long trip or simply don't want the hassle of constant charging, this extended battery life is a significant advantage. In terms of design, the Circular Ring 2 is built with titanium and comes in 4 new finishes: gold, silver, black, and rose gold. These options ensure that there's a style to suit everyone's taste. The titanium build not only adds durability but also gives the ring a sleek and premium look. You can easily match it with your outfit, whether you're dressing up for a formal event or keeping it casual. The app for the Circular Ring 2 has also been redesigned, offering a more intuitive and refined user experience. This makes it easier to navigate and access the ring's features. The updated app interface is user-friendly, allowing you to effortlessly track your health data, customize settings, and receive insights. The Circular Ring 2 is expected to be available around February or March 2025 for $380. This smart ring promises to bring significant advancements in wearable technology, making it a must-have for tech-savvy individuals. The price point reflects the high-quality materials, advanced features, and innovative technology that the Circular Ring 2 offers. In summary, the Circular Ring 2 was unveiled at CES 2025 and features digital ring sizing, FDA-cleared atrial fibrillation detection, 8 days of battery life, a titanium build with 4 new finishes, and a redesigned app. It is expected to be available around February or March 2025 for $380. This smart ring combines style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology, making it an excellent addition to the world of wearable tech. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Circular Ring 2. What features are you most excited about? How do you think it will compare to other smart rings on the market? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.